Hello, you are welcome to Den of Knowledge once again. My name is Steve Boniface Samson, and today we'll be discussing an important topic in mathematics for basic 3. That is multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication, that is our topic. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Is a repeated addition or adding a number to an extent given. Adding a number, repeating addition, the same number to any extent given. Example, if we have multiplication sign is this, like cross. That is multiplication sign. Now, if I have 3 times 5, 3 times 5, what is the answer? Remember, multiplication is a repeated addition. I will repeatedly add this 3 for the number of time given. Add 3. I can use stone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I'll call it 1 plus 1, 2, 3. I call it 2 plus 1, 2, 3. This is 3 plus 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 1, 2, 3. 5. That is repeated addition to the number of time given. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 3 times 5 is 15. That is what is called multiplication. Now, we have what is called multiplication table. Multiplication table is a series of addition, repeated addition, using one number. One number. That is, if I have a table like this, and it should be 3 times. If I have a long table, let me make it long, just for 3 times. I have 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, 3 times 8. That is serially to as many as I want. I will just do it like that. 3 times 1 means 3 into 1 places. I will count. I can count it outside the box so that I will be putting my answer. Or let me do it later. 3 times 1 means 1, 2, 3. 1 times. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That okay. This is what is called multiplication table. But I just want to do only 3 times. I can count 3 times until I am tired. 3 times 8. I'll stop here. I just want us to stop here. Now 3 times 1. I will just count 1, 2, 3 into how many places? 1. Count together. 1, 2, 3. That means the answer is 3. 3 times 2. That means we should add 3 into 2 places. We count 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. 2. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the final answer is 6. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means add 3 into 3 times. We add it. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 3. What will be our final answer? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. You can do it. Add it up to 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. You add together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means the answer of this one is 12. I I will still repeatedly do it till I end it where I want. We have 3 times 200, 3 times as many as I want. Now, what is called multiplication table is a table that comprises not just 3 times, but many times. It will have 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But remember, these things won't be seen there. No, it can't. Because look at how it looks like. The multiplication table itself is like this. Like, yes. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me make it up to 12. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me stop at 10. And we have another one up here. That is 1. This will be x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's separate it. This is called multiplication table. That is, I will just stop at 10. Now, what is this? This is x showing its multiplication. Now, how will I be counting this? The down one will be multiplying the up one, and any result we will be putting it here. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 10 is 10. That is it. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2. Now let's go to 2 times. Let's go to 2 times. 2 will multiply the up 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Anything multiplied 1 is that thing. 2 times 2 is 4. If you don't know, you can do it 2 times 2. Add it up to 2 times. That's 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2. You count to the 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's 4. You can try it in all of them and you confirm your answer. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 7, 40. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. We have 3 times. We've already written 3 times here. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. Anyone you are not sure of, please don't just fix anything when you are preparing your multiplication table. No. If you are not sure that 3 times 4 is 12, you can bring it out and say 3 times 4. That means add 3 into 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. You count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means it's 12. We are correct. 3 times 5 is 15. You can check it. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. Times 8 is 24. Times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. The same thing you will do here, 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 all of them until you complete your multiplication table. Don't stop. You will complete it when you are through with the number you intend to reach. just like I put mine, is 10. I want to stop there. You can fill the rest. This is what is called multiplication table. Multiplication table. Now, if you are given a question to answer, like 5 times 8 will give us what? What is the answer? 5 times 8. Remember, multiplication is repeated addition. That means we'll repeatedly add 5 into 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I call it 1. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8. We count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That means the answer is 40. What will this multiplication table help you to do? It will help you to score most of these things without doing this. If you are acquitted, if you know this table very well, you can easily solve this without necessarily adding. Just like if I see 3 times 10, I already know that 3 times 10 is 30. I don't need to do this anymore. I just write 30. That is the benefit. That is why this multiplication table came to existence to help students to solve questions like this. I believe you understood all about multiplication table. Remember, it's a repeated addition. I hope to see you next time on the same place, Den of Knowledge. See you. Stay in touch. Bye.